When you think about French people, usually the image that comes to you is the French guy with the baguette under the arm. You need to listen to your dough. It's like a living organism. Time is so important because if you wait just 10 minutes, the dough will not be happy with this. So she will go back to its initial shape. So my name is Igor. My mom is from Sicilia and my dad is from Alsace. I am a French baker. I opened a pastry shop, a bakery in Kunming. From very young, I love to eat sweets. I could not go on a street walking and passing by a pastry shop without having a pastry. There's something impossible for me. Millefeuille was the first souvenir I have of me and my mom getting to the market in our small village. We were hiding actually from my father who didn't want us to eat pastry other than my mom's pastries. So we were going secretly with my mom to the local market and eating this very delightful millefeuille. This place is also a way to meet with a lot of persons coming from all around the world and to share our own experiences. Sometimes you got people coming from Brazil or from Italy. Sometimes you got French friends coming and having a game of chess with me. I've been playing chess for 6 years back when I was in France, and it is still more a passion for me. And all this is a way to be home, even away from home. It's truly a pleasure, and I'm being proud of being able here in China to offer foreign friends and Chinese friends everyday French pastries, French breads. It's really a nice way to share French culture.